Hello guys, so if you're looking to create advanced server in Mobile Legends, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open your game. Now, when you're in your game, firstly what you have to see is your account above level 15 or not, because the advanced server is only available in certain parts of Asia. So in Android, you will have to be above level 15, and in iOS, you will receive an invitation email. From there, you can get in the advanced server. So in order to know about advanced server, just simply click on the customer support icon over here. Then just simply ask for advanced server. Click on how to get access to advanced server. So as you can see right over here, only certain parts of Asia are actually available to play in advanced server, and you can also see the specifications for Android users and iOS users right over here. Now to get access and register for advanced server, what you have to do is just simply click on frequently asked issue. Then you will find another option that is applying for advanced server. Click on that. Then click on tap to apply. After that, you will have the form for advanced server request. So completely fill the form, and I will suggest you to answer in the third and fourth question with Wi-Fi and above 60 ms. Now after that, fill up the question answers that you will find down below and enter the name of your phone and model of your phone. So be careful when you answer the questions from 9 13 because it is the most important part of this request form. So be careful when you will answer that, and in the end just simply write a quick note, then click on submit. After that, you will be receiving a participation thank you, and after a few days the Mobile Legend support team will review your account and see if you're eligible for advanced server or not, and if you are eligible, you will find advanced server in your game, and then from there you can switch the server and play in advanced server. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.